Essential oils are highly potent oils you need in your natural hair journey, and these 5 essential oils I'm about to mention right away are very nourishing to both the scalp and hair, and they make your scalp and hair smell amazing. Hi beauty, welcome back to the channel. If this is your very first time being here, nice to meet you. My name is Goodness, and on this channel it's all about natural hair, natural beauty remedies and wellness tips. So do consider subscribing and be part of this amazing community we're building right here. Also, subscribe to our membership community package. We have exclusive package just for you. And do not forget to like this video if you find it very helpful, and also share the video with your loved ones. So let's dive right into the video. Now, before we go ahead to mention these top 5 essential oils, let's get to understand essential oils better. Like, what is essential oil? So basically, in a very short and easy explanation, I'll put it this way, that essential oils are oils that have been extracted from plants using methods that still preserve their flavor, their aroma, their whole essence. Like, all of their nutritional and aromatic values are still intact. And so they are highly potent. They are not your regular oils, and so you also need to be mindful of how you use them and the kind of or type of essential oils you use. Now, essential oils are totally different from carrier oils. In order not to make this video long, I'm going to be explaining carrier oils in another video. I wouldn't want to talk about it here, so this video doesn't get too long. But basically, essential oils are lighter compared to carrier oils. Like, if you have used essential oils before, you notice that when you put essential oils on a surface, it evaporates faster than carrier oils. Also, you need to dilute your essential oils with carrier oils before using them. They are not the kind of oils you use directly on your scalp or your hair. No, applying essential oils directly to your scalp or to your hair can cause more harm than good. It can irritate the scalp, especially for people with sensitive skin. It can irritate the scalp. It can also lead to burning. It can burn the scalp as well. So it is not the oil you use anyhow. You need to understand your essential oil. You need to also be mindful of how and also the quantity of essential oils you use. Like, you need to understand the right amount or the right quantity of essential oils you're going to be adding into your DIY hair treatment or your hair products before you go ahead to add them. All right, so I believe that I've been able to explain to a certain extent what essential oils is, right? Okay, so let's move ahead now. Let's go ahead and mention these top 5 essential oils that we need in our natural hair journey. Number 1 essential oils that I believe we need in our natural hair journey, very potent and very nourishing to both the scalp and our hair, is actually peppermint essential oil. If you have used peppermint essential oils before, you are likely to notice its cooling sensation around the scalp. Like, you're likely to notice how it relaxes the scalp, like it adds this minty sensation, minty cooling sensation to the scalp. And one thing about peppermint essential oil is that it is very good at boosting blood circulation around the scalp, which in turn promotes healthy hair growth. It promotes hair growth, it nourishes the scalp, it also conditions our scalp and hair very well. No wonder peppermint essential oil is a very popular essential oil in some of these hair products out there, especially products such as hair butter, hair growth oil, shampoos and hair conditioners targeted at dandruff and itchy scalp. Most hair products that are targeted at itchy scalp and dandruff, you're likely to find peppermint essential oils in them. And this is because the main active ingredient in peppermint essential oil is menthol. And of course, you know, menthol has this cooling, nice sensation that just relaxes the scalp, especially when the scalp feels so itchy. It just helps to relax it, add that cooling sensation to our scalp. And so peppermint essential oil is one essential oil that you need to start including in your hair care regimen, in your hair treatment, your hair product. And you can as well look out for products that have peppermint essential oil as their active ingredient. So if you're having scalp concerns such as dandruff, itchy scalp, then start including peppermint essential oil. It will help to get rid of dandruff, it will help to cool and calm your scalp, and it will also help to improve your hair growth. It will keep your hair healthy. Alright, so moving on to the second one on my list is actually tea tree essential oil. Now, Tea tree essential oil is another powerful essential oil targeted at dandruff and itchy scalp. Like tea tree essential oil has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties which can help to get rid of dandruff, get rid of scalp eczema, scalp psoriasis or scalp concern, and also help to prevent other scalp concerns. So if you're having challenge with scalp concerns, start including tea tree essential oil. Look out for products with tea tree essential oils and then it will help to get rid of those scalp concerns. And also tea tree essential oil smells amazing. So oil is another powerful essential oil that does not just get rid of dandruff or itchy scalp. It also helps to thicken your hair. It also helps to promote healthy hair growth. It helps with blood circulation around the scalp, and it's such an amazing essential oil that you need to start including into your hair regimen and into your DIY hair products. Third on my list is actually rosemary essential oil. Now, rosemary essential oil has been in the news for a while, and it is not just in the news just a trend. No, it is actually a very effective essential oil. Rosemary essential oil has been proven to be as effective as topical minoxidil, which is a treatment for alopecia, a treatment for hair loss. So it is that effective. And this is because rosemary essential oil has an active ingredient which is known as carnosic acid. This ingredient helps to promote hair growth, it helps to reduce premature graying of hair, and it also helps to thicken our hair. Like when you use rosemary essential oils, it will promote hair growth. Your hair is likely to grow. It will thicken your hair, make your hair thicker, and it will also reduce premature graying of hair. So it's not just your regular essential oil, it's a wonder to our hair. It will help your hair to grow, it will change your hair again. And guess what? Rosemary essential oil also smells amazing. It has this nice aroma that you can use it without adding fragrance, without adding regular fragrance to your hair product. So look out for rosemary essential oil, start including it into your hair regimen. Also start using products or hair product that contains rosemary essential oil as their active ingredient because they are actually very great for your scalp. Fourth on my list is actually lavender essential oils. I mean, lavender smells so heavenly that using lavender essential oils in your hair products, your hair treatment will automatically keep your scalp and hair smelling amazing. And it's so relaxing to the scalp, especially for stressed scalp, irritated scalp, or those with sensitive scalp. Lavender essential oil will help to calm the scalp, will help to also nourish the scalp, promote blood circulation, and in turn promote hair growth. So lavender essential oil is another powerful essential oil you need to start including in your natural hair journey. And the last one on my list is actually Blackseed essential oil. Now, I feel like Blackseed essential oil is one unique oil that we don't get to talk about much. We do not get to talk about Blackseed oil so well because it's so healing. It has this medicinal value that is so nourishing to the scalp, to our hair. Blackseed essential oil is actually very great for both the scalp and hair. If you're having scalp concerns, if you're having scalp issues, start including Blackseed oil into your hair treatment and hair products. It will heal the scalp. It will help you get rid of that particular scalp concern. It will also thicken your hair. It's so nourishing to both the scalp and hair, very nourishing to both our scalp and hair. And among all the oils, all the 4 oils that I have already mentioned, Blackseed oil is the most conditioning of all of them. When it comes to essential oil that conditions the hair very well, Blackseed oil conditions the hair very well. Very conditioning, very nourishing, and it also helps to reduce premature graying of hair. So if you have not been using Blackseed oil, start using a very unique oil, has amazing benefit that your scalp and hair will love so much. So go ahead and include these 5 essential oils, start adding them into your hair treatment, your hair product, and start looking out for products that also have them as their active ingredient to help you enjoy your natural hair journey. But before you go ahead to use them, do remember that they are highly potent. They are highly potent oils, and so remember that you do not need to add to apply them directly to your scalp or your hair. You have to dilute them. You can dilute them by adding them into your hair treatment, into your hair growth oil, into your hair butter, your shampoos, your conditioners, or you can just dilute them with regular carrier oils such as almond oil, coconut oil, olive oil. There are varieties of them out there that you can dilute them with, but do not apply essential oils directly, especially the ones I have mentioned. Do not apply them directly on your skin except your medical practitioner or your healthcare professional okays it. But from my research, you do not apply them directly to the skin, and you do not also ingest them. So be mindful of how you use them. Use them in small portions or in small drops or in small quantities. Just make sure you're using little amount of your essential oils. Do not use much of essential oils. Using much essential oils can irritate the scalp, can burn the scalp, can even cause much harm. So be mindful of that. But once you're very mindful of it, remember that it has so much benefits. It will help to promote your hair growth. It will help to nourish your scalp. It will keep your hair healthy. It will nourish your scalp and hair. You will definitely feel amazing after using products with essential oils, and also it adds this nice aroma that will keep your hair and scalp smelling amazing. So thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you find this essential oil very helpful. And if you're new to essential oils, let me know if this has been very helpful in the comment section. And if you also know other essential oils that are very valuable to you, because there are varieties of essential oils out there. I've only mentioned 5 that I believe are very great at nourishing our scalp and hair. And if you feel like there are other ones, mention them in the comment section, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.